Exploring the reef environment, a deep dive into nature's underwater wonders. Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to understand the reef environment. This is a fascinating topic, especially for those interested in marine life and ecosystems. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of what a reef environment is and why it's so important. Let's dive in. The reef environment refers to a marine ecosystem that is characterized by the presence of coral reefs. Coral reefs are underwater structures made from calcium carbonate secreted by corals, which are marine invertebrates. This environment is known for its biodiversity, hosting a wide variety of marine life, including fish, mollusks, and other sea creatures. Reef environments are unique due to their complex structures and rich biodiversity. These environments provide habitat for a vast array of marine species, serve as natural barriers protecting coastlines from storms and erosion, are sensitive to changes in water temperature and quality, making them important indicators of ocean health. Reef environments play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. They support fishing industries by providing habitats for numerous fish species, contribute to biodiversity conservation, attract tourists, supporting local economies. Unfortunately, reef environments face several threats, including climate change, leading to coral bleaching, pollution, which harms the delicate balance of the ecosystem, overfishing, which disrupts the food chain. To protect these vital ecosystems, conservation efforts include implementing marine protected areas, promoting sustainable fishing practices, raising awareness about the importance of reducing carbon footprints. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the reef environment. I hope this video has enlightened you about this incredible part of our natural world and the importance of protecting it. Remember, every small step towards conservation can make a big difference. See you in the next video.